Okay guys, so I ordered toolbox for household, for car repairs, for motorcycle, for bike from Shopee, and I received a set of Allen wrench, which to consider at the price is totally fine, but nothing like it was supposed to be. I mean, it has screwdriver like Phillips and flat, and then basically couple of socket wrenches. What size I don't even know. I think 8, 9 and 10. And that's basically, yeah, that's bicycle repair kit, I guess, that you can use for bicycles. But the actual item is going to be right now on the picture.